For as long as I can remember, I dreamed of running my entire productivity system from a single app. Notes, tasks, research, and brainstorming, having everything in one place sounded like the ultimate solution. Yet, every attempt to consolidate ended in frustration. I bounced between Apple Notes, Notion, and Craft, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The constant switching, copying, and pasting left me feeling scattered and overwhelmed. I wanted to eliminate the friction of deciding where things should live and stop wasting time managing multiple systems. This is the story of how I finally made it work and how one app became the backbone of my entire workflow. The idea of a single productivity app is appealing for a reason. It promises simplicity and clarity. No more jumping between apps or losing track of ideas. But in reality, most apps have gaps. Apple Notes was great for capturing quick thoughts and images, but lacked robust task management. Notion could do almost everything, but felt slow and clunky on mobile. Craft was fast and beautiful, but missed automation and AI features. Each time I tried to stick with one, I found myself returning to a patchwork of tools. The friction of a scattered system was real, and I knew there had to be a better way. Everything changed when Craft released a series of powerful updates. Suddenly, the app offered an AI assistant, MCP integration, full API access, OCR support, and web research all in one place. These features closed the gaps that had kept me from committing to a single platform. For the first time, I could imagine truly running my entire productivity system from one app. This wasn't just about features. It was about finally having a workflow that felt seamless and intuitive. If you've ever chased the dream of a unified productivity system, you know how big this moment is. For years, I used Apple reminders for tasks and Craft for notes and planning. This separation seemed logical, but in practice, it created friction. Tasks and notes were always intertwined. An idea would start as a note, then become a task in another app. Reviewing what I had done or finding a specific task meant searching in multiple places. With Craft's Assistant, I now write tasks directly on project pages or daily notes. When I need to see what's pending, I simply ask the assistant, and it pulls everything together instantly. No more tagging, no more folder headaches, just one unified system. The real breakthrough was having tasks live right next to their context. No more copying information between apps or losing track of details. The AI assistant understands context, so even if I jot down a task in a random note, it can find it later. This means everything stays in one place, and I spend less time organizing and more time doing. The friction is gone, and my workflow feels natural and efficient. For the first time, my productivity system actually supports the way I think and work, instead of getting in the way. One of the main reasons I held on to Apple Notes was its OCR capability. I love reading physical books and often photograph pages with ideas I want to remember. Apple Notes made it easy to search inside those images, but my book notes ended up disconnected from my main system. With Craft's new update, the assistant can now understand images and PDFs directly in documents. I can extract text, generate captions, or describe images all within Craft. Now, my book notes, writing ideas, and project files all live together, searchable and accessible. Taking it a step further, I used Craft's API support to build a simple iOS shortcut for book capture. Now, I select photos of book pages, and the shortcut extracts the text, cleans it up, and saves it directly to my daily note in Craft. What used to take 5 minutes of copying, pasting, and formatting now takes about 10 seconds. Everything ends up in the same workspace, ready for review or use in future projects. This automation has made capturing and organizing ideas from books effortless. Research used to mean opening dozens of browser tabs, copying bits of information, and trying to organize it all in Craft. It was tedious and time-consuming. With Craft's new web research feature, I can ask the assistant a question, and it searches the internet, pulls the latest information, and gives me a clean, structured response right inside Craft. No more tab overload or messy copy-pasting. While it doesn't replace deep research, it's perfect for quick fact-finding and keeps my workflow focused and efficient. Now, when I'm writing about a new topic or need the latest information, I just ask the assistant. The response appears in my workspace, ready to be added to my document with a single click. This keeps me focused and eliminates the distractions of switching between apps or browsers. While I still do deep dives for complex topics, this feature has saved me countless hours on routine research. Staying inside Craft means I can keep my momentum and get more done in less time. I brainstorm with AI chatbots constantly, sometimes more than with friends. These conversations often spark ideas worth saving, but getting them into my notes was always a hassle. I'd copy and paste, fix formatting, and try to keep everything organized. With Craft's MCP feature, I can now connect AI chatbots like Claude directly to my documents. The AI can read my notes, understand the context, and when a conversation leads somewhere useful, I just tell it to save the content directly into Craft. This seamless integration means my best ideas are always captured and ready for action. What makes this integration truly powerful is that the AI learns from my previous conversations. Its suggestions become more relevant and tailored to my workflow. If I'm brainstorming a blog post and like a structure the AI suggests, I can add it straight to my draft. This saves time and keeps my creative momentum going. Instead of spending 10 minutes moving information around, I spend that time actually thinking and creating. The friction is gone, and my productivity has never been higher. One of the last things keeping me tied to Apple Notes was its support for shortcuts and automations. I had built workflows for quick capture, voice memos, and more. Craft didn't support this until now. With full API access, I can automate everything from voice capture to book quotes and subscription tracking. Everything flows directly into Craft, eliminating the need for separate apps. For the first time, Craft isn't just where I write, it's where I build and automate my entire system. With everything now flowing into Craft Notes, tasks, research, brainstorming, and automation, my setup feels lighter than ever. I no longer need Apple Notes, reminders, or a handful of other apps for specific use cases. Craft has become the central place where everything comes together. My devices feel more organized, and, more importantly, my mind feels clearer. The simplicity of having one system has made a huge difference in my daily life and productivity. I don't believe in the idea of a perfect productivity system. Over the years, I've tried countless setups and learned that no single app will solve everything forever. But right now, for the first time, I'm running my entire workflow from one place. Craft connects to the tools I already use, and its AI features help me actually use what I collect, not just store it. If you're thinking about simplifying your setup, this might be the solution you've been looking for. To help others get started, I built a complete 2026 Life Planner template in Craft. It includes 15 systems, over 50 ready-to-use templates, 12 months of planning pages, and a detailed user guide. This template is the backbone of everything I publish and helps consolidate life into one clean Apple-native system. It works seamlessly across iPhone, iPad, and Mac, making it easy to stay organized and productive no matter where you are. If you're ready to stop jumping between apps, this is your chance to make the switch. If you've been thinking about simplifying your productivity setup, now is the perfect time. Craft's winter sale offers 40% off annual subscriptions, and you can instantly duplicate the Life Planner template into your account. With everything in one place, you'll spend less time managing your system and more time doing what matters. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, this unified approach can help you stay focused and organized all year long. I'll continue sharing the workflows, shortcuts, and small systems I build as I keep using this setup. Productivity is always evolving, and so are the tools we use. The key is finding a system that supports your unique way of working and helps you focus on what matters most. With Craft, I finally feel like I have that system. If you're ready to make a change, give it a try and see how much lighter your workflow and your mind can feel.